Hey friends, if you wish to create a laptop battery full charge notification on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, I found a very interesting answer on the Microsoft Answers forum for customized battery alerts. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command powercfg.cpl. Hit enter. Now, corresponding to the current power plan, click on change plan settings. Go to change advanced power settings, expand the list for battery, and there are a lot of battery notifications. Okay, so one would be the low battery notification. It is usually on. There is this critical battery notification and stuff like that. So you can create these notifications as per your wishes. The main point was, what about the full charge notification? Okay, so in this case you can simply change this one, the critical battery level, or the critical battery notification level to on, and in that case it will give you the full charge notification. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.